Hey, what is good, everyone? Thanks for tuning in for another video. We got a quick little lineup right here. We're about to do a quick little POV around the lake. If y'all haven't seen my first video of the solo POV around the lake, go ahead and check it out. We here got my boy G35. You know, we got the GT and we have the G37. I believe both are straight pipe. All three of them are straight pipe, man. I ain't gonna lie, but y'all go ahead and stay tuned. Pretty much, I'll be in the middle. He's gonna be in the front. I'm gonna keep in the second or third gear just to, you know, get that hard pull, you feel me? Besides that, man, we about to hop in and do a little quick POV. Man, y'all go ahead and stay tuned, all right? This should be a fun one. This should be a fun one, man. No cap. Set my phone aside. I'm gonna turn traction off. I'm gonna put the steering to sport mode, feel me?
I'm gonna set behind loop.
All right, I'll be right here. Traction's off. Like I say, I'm gonna keep in the second or third gear, and we're gonna go in manual mode. Feel me? We ain't doing that auto stuff. Gotta make sure my camera's recording. All right, it's good to go. Sport mode, first gear. Keep in third or second gear, man. Maybe fourth, who knows, but we'll see. Right. Man, the sun is in the way though, man. I hope it doesn't fuck up the views, not gonna lie. Nah, they gotta go a little faster, gang. Bro, going extra slow. I think I should have been in the front, man. In the back, feel me, because I got them Brembo brakes. Ah, this shit sounds crazy, y'all. Oh, that G37 is loud, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This shit crazy. Oh damn, that Civic got in the way, man. This go crazy, bro. second gear pulls go crazy, bro. It's just so loud. Bro, we got a bike in here, we got a Civic in front of us. Damn, man, they're fucking up the whole shit. No cat. Might as well just let us pass. But I can't do that to him. He's out here biking. Oh shit, pop, bro. That gives him space. And it's a beautiful weather out here. At least Civic going crazy too, I ain't gonna lie. He going at it. Man, you gotta have good brakes to be doing this shit, bro. Especially if you're doing a good in a group, you gotta have a good brake. Especially if you're in the, you know, behind a car. You might need to get a sudden stop, you feel me? exiting right now. We're gonna put it back into auto now, man. That shit was crazy, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. Hey, tell Lou not to go yet. Let me get a thumbnail real quick. Ah, fuck, he already went. I was gonna get y'all a quick little thumbnail. Nah, but YouTube, that's it for the video. If y'all still watching, man, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment. If y'all new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. If y'all fuck with the video, man, leave a like. Other than that, let me know if y'all trying to see more of this, you know. Besides that, peace out. Stay tuned for the next video. Y'all have a good day.